What's up, guys? My name is Leda Fazal. I own Tone Hair Salon in Raleigh, North Carolina, and today we are doing a gray blending color correction. So right now she has about an inch of regrowth of her gray hair, then she's got some demi-permanent, and then she's got some highlights. Today what I'm doing is I'm putting CPR on her first. We're gonna help her lift that color out, and then I'm gonna go in with some highlights to kind of blend what she's got going on. I expect this to take about 5 hours or so, and hopefully she can go a long time without having to get any color again. Typically when I do a gray blending, it takes anywhere from 1 to 3 sessions in my chair. If it takes more than that, or you're not getting what you want within 3 sessions, I would say move on, go to a different hairstylist, because there are so many little tips. Like, don't put anything on the actual gray. That's a huge tip that I give to hairstylists when you're doing gray blending. That is the whole point. Stay off the gray. Anyways, let's go. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Today we're doing the gray blending. That's what we're known for. A lot of people travel to us just for this gray blending. So hope to see you soon in my chair. Let's go.
Honey, I got what you want. Give me all of your love, 'cause it's burning hot. It's what you do to me, babe, I can guarantee. Honey, I got what you need. Under the night sky, I want your eyes all on me. Don't tell me lies now, I always get mine. Don't play with me. Do you want it? Can't feel me? No, can't handle it? Right? Do you want it? Don't put your love on hold. I can't take it anymore. Put your love on me now. Trust me and you will see. Honey, I got what you want. Honey, I got what you need. Honey, I got what you want. Honey, I got what you need.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
What do you think?
I love it. Oh my gosh, it looks so good.
Right? So the roots are much more blended now. She's gonna do one more session in about 4 weeks, and we're gonna blend it a little bit more, but this is gray blending. So gray blending should be done between 1 and 3 sessions generally. If you're going much more than that, I would suggest finding a new hairstylist. But we got her nice, her hair is healthy, and much more blended than when she came in. This is session 1.